Spank revision.
What's up? My name's Ben. Just landed another freelance client, so you know what that means.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Alright, so we got another freelance gig. It's storming outside, by the way, so if you can hear that in the background, that's what's going on. But yeah, we got another freelance client, so that means it's a time for a new project. It's for another Twitch streamer named CallumSee. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description if you want to go check him out. And we got to do a logo for him of a knight character, well, him as a knight. And then we got to make some panels and a GIF, a new like follower alert GIF for him. And today we're gonna tackle the logo. So I'm thinking we're gonna sketch him. He wants to be in like armor, like knight's armor, so it fits well coming off our last project that was medieval themed as well. So we're gonna draw him in armor, full body. Then we're gonna bring in the illustrator, kind of make it a circular logo with his name at the bottom. Probably just show his chest up in the actual logo. A couple things he sent me. Here's a picture reference of him. So there he is. That's what he looks like. Then he sent me kind of this armor. It looks like Joffrey Lannister Game of Thrones armor to kind of base his character off of. So yeah, let's just get to sketching, see what we come up with, get right on it. All right, we have the logo done, and it was a doozy. It took a little bit longer than I thought it would to finish it. Let's have a look-see. All right, so here's the character, full body completed. I drew the full body because I wasn't sure how I was gonna frame it in the logo, so I wanted to make sure I didn't screw myself by not making it big enough or something like that. Plus, this will be good to have for when we do the GIF animation. So yeah, I kind of based it off that reference he sent me. I based it off this Game of Thrones armor reference that he sent me. Kind of just similar armor pieces, but I didn't go into as much detail because it doesn't need to have that much detail. And he wanted red and black, and I liked how the yellow kind of breaks up the color scheme. It's just like a good third color to have. Yeah, and I think I got the likeness good enough with the hair and the facial hair. And he's got a cool little lance as his weapon because he said he either wanted a sword or a lance. And we did a sword in the last one, so I thought a lance would be fun to do there. So once the drawing was done, I started trying to turn it into a logo here. And I knew I wanted to go with something round because it's, you know, it's versatile. I knew I wanted to break the plane at a few points here with the lance and the hair. So I ended up making it a bit bigger, and I went with this banner look again because it just screams medieval to me. and I have a cool idea that I want to try with this banner looking design when we do the panels. Added the banner at the bottom. It was a real pain in the ass to get, because I used a clipping mask. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, and I'm just too stupid to think of it right now. But it was really hard to get these little bits, like the lance and the hair that are breaking the top of the circle to get there, but I eventually figured it out. So yeah, and then for the type, I went with that yellow from the armor, and had a black outline around it so it really pops. But yeah, and then we went with the Gastromon typeface again, because it looks really medieval to me, and I like the way that it fits in there because it's still really thick. So yeah, nice friendly pose. I think it's looking pretty good. We're gonna send this out to Callum and make sure that he likes it, and then in the next episode we will do the panels for the channel, like the About Me panels and stuff. So thanks for watching. Go check out his Twitch channel. There's a link to it down there, and check out some other videos, and we'll see you in the next one.